Hello, Stefan, stool expert here with everything you need to know about stools and how to keep them comfy with Coloxyl, Australia's #1 constipation relief tablet brand. Today, we are talking about Glycerol suppositories, which are designed as another way of delivering medication to treat constipation. Coloxyl Glycerol suppositories for adults work directly at the source by drawing water into the stool, providing fast relief in as little as 15 minutes. All with an easy-to-use, comfort-shaped design. Suppositories are different to oral laxatives as they are inserted rectally. Don't worry though, Coloxyl Glycerol suppositories are easy to use in just 3 steps. Step 1. Lie on your side and draw your knees towards your chest, just like this. Step 2. Gently insert the suppository, pointed end first, as far as possible, pushing the end of the suppository at an angle to ensure contact with the wall of the bowel. Finally, step 3. Lower your legs to a comfortable position to help hold the suppository in place for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It is okay if the suppository does not fully melt in this time. When inside, Coloxyl Glycerol suppositories for adults work to relieve constipation through osmosis and a lubrication effect. The suppositories draw water from the surrounding tissue, increasing the amount of water in the stool. This hydrates any hard stools causing the constipation, helping to make them bigger, softer, and more comfy. Now that the stool is bigger and softer, it triggers a natural movement in the bowel, which helps the stool move along for gentle, comfy relief in as little as 15 minutes. Phew! So, for fast relief from hard, uncomfy stools, try Coloxyl Glycerol suppositories for adults, suitable for adults and children over 12 years old.